Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X12 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps section. Then let's tap on Special App Access and tap on Install Unknown Apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So just tap on the app and then tap on the switcher next to allow from the source. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install something, but be aware because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the specific app and then tap on the switcher next to it again. And as you can see, it is now not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.